What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to color your illustration using the Paint Bucket tool in your Adobe Illustrator application. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your illustration and, using the selection tool, make sure to select the part which you want to fill. In your toolbar, click on this burger menu, which will allow you to edit your toolbar and add the Live Paint Bucket tool. You can also toggle it using your K key. In your properties under Appearance, you can fill the selected object with a color swatch or choose a color from the color mixer. More complex illustrations will allow you to fill out more with different colors. In your Appearance properties, you can also add a stroke and change the opacity of the added color. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.